Welcome to our Windows Server 2008 installation and configuration tutorial. In this guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to set up and configure Windows Server 2008 in VirtualBox, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Let's dive in. To install Windows Server 2008 on VirtualBox, download and install VirtualBox. Create a new virtual machine with 2 gig RAM and a 25 gig dynamic disk, and mount the Windows Server ISO. Launch the virtual machine, follow on-screen instructions for installation, configure network settings, and restart the virtual machine to ensure a successful Windows Server 2008 installation. For Windows Server Basics, we will be configuring Windows Server 2008. The first step in the configuration procedures is to set up the time zone and provide the computer name and domain. Second is to configure networking settings. Here, we will select the local area connection, right-click, and choose Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Enter the specified IP address and then close the window. After setting up the IP address, press OK and close the window. Proceed to add rows for DNS services. A window wizard will appear for the rows section. Verify and press Next. Select the Active Directory Domain Services checkbox and press Next. Continue by pressing Next after a reminder about DNS services. Confirm the installation of DNS services. After installation, view the result and click the hyperlink text in the result window. If a warning message appears, choose to rename or continue to the next step. The installation wizard for Active Directory Domain Services will appear. Click Next to start the installation. An operating system compatibility window will appear. Click Next. Choose between existing forest or create a new domain in a new forest. Select Create a new domain in a new forest and click Next. Create a new domain name with an extension .com and click Next. Choose the forest function level as Windows Server 2008 and click Next. Click Next if no additional options need to be added. Choose the Yes option and click Next. Click Next if you don't want to change the file path. Enter the administrator password for confirmation and click Next. A summary window will appear. Click Next. Finally, wait for the installation to complete, then click Finish. And there you have it. You have successfully configured Windows Server 2008 operating systems in your VirtualBox machine. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the Windows Server 2008 installation and configuration tutorial. You are now equipped with the knowledge to effectively set up and manage your server environment. Thank you for joining us and best of luck with your Windows Server journey. Bye!